Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is after you've steamed some pasta using the Ninja Speedi, like we covered yesterday, how to transform it into a really quick macaroni cheese. Adding in some cheese and some creamy cheese as well to make it lovely and delicious. And then we can head over to my herbs and spices drawer and pick out some seasonings to add to it, and it's just perfect for a quick and easy dinner using your Speedi, and also a great way to learn how to use it. So this is some pasta that we made earlier. You can get the recipe in full if you head over to yesterday's video for Ninja Speedi steamed pasta. And I'll just give you a quick recap now if you're watching this video for the first time. So to get started, what I do first is I cook the pasta. So to do this, it's a ratio game. So it's 2 cups of pasta to 3 cups of water. And then you pour them all into the Speedi, give it a stir. Make sure the water covers the pasta so you're not going to end up with dried bits of pasta. And then lid down, 10 minutes steam cook time, and then we finish it off with a 3-minute delay start, give it a stir, and then it's ready for transforming into a macaroni cheese. So now after the recap, let's transform this into some macaroni cheese. So you've given it a good stir. You'll have a little bit of liquid left over in the bottom, and then what you can do is you can grab yourself a pack of Philadelphia cream cheese. The diet one also works well. You don't have to get this one. The lightest is even really nice, so it just depends how you want to diet. So you can make this Slimming World, Weight Watchers and whatnot friendly just by opting for the lightest Philly. And then Philly in it goes. And then that's a full tub of the family pack size. And then add in salt, pepper, and then I have the milk out just in case I need some. But basically the milk is brilliant for if it ends up too thick and you just want some milk to balance it out. And then in it goes. And then what you can do is you can turn on the Ninja Speedi and then take it all the way down to saute, and then press start. And then if your pasta's been sat around for a bit, it'll warm it back up so that it'll make it easier for mixing in your sauce. And you could also use a wooden spoon if you prefer, just as long as it's something that won't stick. And then give it a good stir. Make sure it mixes up all nicely. Because we've still got some liquid left from the pasta, then we're not going to need the milk. But it's a good add-in if you haven't got enough liquid left over. Then just give it a good stir. And as it comes together, you can then look at what else you're going to add in. Another cheese alternative is, of course, to use some boursin instead. Or ricotta. Ricotta also works really well. So the fillet is nicely mixed now. So now I aren't going to use all of this, but I've got a big bowl of cheese because we always have some cheese already prepared in the fridge. Because what we do is we've got a cheese grater and everybody always wants cheese on something. So it's just easier for the kids to do a big batch of it for the fridge instead. So grabbing a big handful at a time. You can do 2 big handfuls, or if you want it really cheesy, 2.5. And then stir it in. Oh, who doesn't love cheese, hey? And for cheese suggestions, we've used cheddar and red Leicester is our usual go-to, but any cheese that you would normally melt into pasta is fine. Remember, it's on saute, so it's going to warm up and go lovely and creamy. If you've cooked the pasta straight away, then you'll find that the pot will already be warm. But I had to nip out and do the school run. So my Ninja Speedi had cooled down quite a lot. Oh, I can hear it. It's bubbling away now. Oh yeah, it's warmed up lovely. Lovely and saucy, just the way I like it. So I've got my herbs out. So we're adding in some mixed herbs first. Second on the list is the oregano. And then we're going to add in some paprika as well. I love the colour that paprika gives a mac and cheese. And then just give it a good stir. Because it's got its heat now, I'm going to turn off the Speedi. Oh wow, this is just so creamy and lovely. So, do you like some breadcrumbs on top of your mac and cheese? Let's go and grab some, shall we? So if you've got some panko ready, you can just give it a sprinkle on top. And then if you want a little bit more cheese on top as well, you can do that as well. Oh, I said I wouldn't use all this cheese. How wrong was I? How much cheese do you like on yours? Now that's the question. So now, lid down. So turn it on. And now, to make that macaroni cheese lovely and yummy, we're going to grill it. So you want to flick it over from rapid cooker, over to grill, 240 Celsius, that's at 465 Fahrenheit. And then you want to press down until you find 4 minutes and then press start. Serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. So shall we check on this mac and cheese? Oh yes. Oh yes, bring that on. I love the melted cheese look on top of mac and cheese. Oh, it's so good. And then of course, if you like it with some parsley, you can sprinkle some parsley on the top. Oh, and it's just perfect. And then you just need it into bowls ready for serving, and it's just a really, really simple pasta recipe you can get started with. And if you love a macaroni cheese, you know, you can make a sauce just from Philly, or if you've got no liquid left, you can use a little bit of wine with some Philly or a little bit of milk. And then of course you can add in other ingredients too, like some garlic or some favourite seasonings. It's just wonderful how easy it is to cook just a little bit of pasta using your Ninja Speedi. And because this is using the steam setting, if you have got the Ninja Foodie 15-in-1 or even the 9-in-1, you could do this just by using the steam button. It doesn't have to be exclusive to this one. But we particularly love the Speedi because of its shape. Like the popularity with the air fryer, everybody loves the square air fryers, and the same goes for this. It's just the perfect size. So all that's left is for you to follow this along at home and cook yourself some macaroni cheese, and we'll be back tomorrow with another pasta grate that can show you how to take your pasta to the next level using the Speedi. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. and a ciao for now.